Alright, you guys. Sorry, real quick, one take. Um, if you want to sell on Poshmark and you live in Canada, but you want to sell to like 300 million possible people plus rather than 30 million, aka Canada versus US, stay tuned because I'll show you right now. And yeah, so let's just get right into it actually. Don't have to stay tuned for anything. Screw that. Okay, so to get started, what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to the Play Store on your phone, and up there you're gonna type in Poshmark, and you'll see Poshmark shows up. Now, keep in mind that there's only one Poshmark app for Canadians and the US. Oh, looks like I left a review there. 5 stars, good stuff. Anyways, once you've installed it, which will be right there, you'll open it, and then you'll have your Poshmark app on your phone. Amazing stuff. Now, right here, let me see, I'll do that again. Make sure it's focused, so that all there, you'll see that little flag right there. That's a US flag. Click on that, and you get the two options that Poshmark is currently in. And if you see, looks like they got room for quite a few more countries, which I'm sure are coming soon. Australia, the UK, etc. But also keep in mind that Poshmark did announce that they will be having international shipping between the two countries, and eventually whatever other countries they decide to add. Beautiful, look at that. Is that focusing? Look at that. You love all these cracks on my screen. There's more up here. Oh, that glare is not helping with the focusing. Yeah, this phone is a disaster. But anyway, sorry. So yeah, international shipping is coming between the countries, so stay tuned for that. Nobody knows when that will be here. But so yeah, if you're in Canada, I don't even have a Canadian Poshmark account. This is my US account. It's just showing me Canadian stuff on the feed now instead. And how do you get to the closet? Look how they hide closet pretty good. You would think closet would be down here somewhere. Anyway, so there's me. The username is POSHERCLUB if you want to check me out. And so yeah, what's the next step? Oh yeah, once you have the Poshmark app, you know, fill out all your details, make it look nice. I took that photo like 2 years ago. There's me. And there's all my stuff. I have about 650 inventory. Truth be told, I wish it was all hats, to be honest, because I'm really loving selling hats, and just hats, especially sourcing them for like 5 to 10 cents at the Goodwill bins, and you know, being able to sell them for about 15, 20, 25, 30 bucks sometimes, and they sell year round. And yeah, anyways, that's just my opinion, and taking photos of them is real quick in comparison to taking photos of tops, which are taken on a mannequin. These ones aren't, but see, I have a mannequin that I take my photos on. And I hope you guys love the fingerprints on the phone here. Professional, keeping it professional. So yeah, once you have the Poshmark app, you'll want to go to a thrift store, like say the Goodwill bins, or Salvation Army, or Savers, or any of these places. I don't know some of them in the US because it's different here in Canada, but yeah, you want to go there and get some cheap stuff, or get some cheap stuff from family, friends, free stuff that they're planning on giving away. It doesn't fit anymore. Your own closet, obviously. Don't forget about checking your own closet. I waited like 6 months before checking my own closet, and eventually got like 30 to 40 things that I added to my own Poshmark from my closet. It made a lot of good money from stuff I wasn't even wearing. So yeah, so you're gonna have to thrift stuff, and I can show you. So this is my living room. And that's Shilo there. Adorable, adorable cat. She's about like 12 years old. She's adorable. But yeah, there you can see this. I sell a lot of ties, glasses. That one just for Lululemon. And yeah, these are not placed in their correct places yet, but so you're gonna want to source. You don't have to go as crazy as me. This is about a year's worth. Because I started reselling on Poshmark in October of last year. I had my first sale. My account was made before that, but I started selling on it in October. So it's been almost exactly a year, and I sold, I think, 1,050 items so far. And I have another 650 items here. Probably closer to 700, but yeah. So those are all beanie hats, toques for Canadians. So that entire bin is hats. And there's lots. I have sweaters. This one's empty, but that one's full. Polo shirts. Pants. I can't see. Anyways, yeah. Oh, hello. Hello, sweetie. Stretches. She's so adorable. So adorable. You know. And yeah. These things are more expensive than I thought. But anyways, yeah. Once you have your inventory, you're going to want to take photos. And that's what Shilo's sitting on here right now. Sorry, I almost fell. Oh yeah, and this big... There you go. And this big white piece of paper, I bought like a giant roll of paper because I wanted pure white backgrounds because Google likes pure white backgrounds and it's just more clean. As you can see, I'm using a white blanket here, where the other side is actually cats. But so these are my flat lays, and where I take my hats, photos of my hats and stuff. And then I also have a mannequin. Where's the mannequin? There it is. So she doesn't have a name. Like Suburban Beard has a mannequin. His name is Manny. But yeah. I got this at the Goodwill bins actually for, I would have paid less than $2 Canadian because it's actually very, very light. And it was only here. That's all I got was the top. And then I got a broomstick, put it in the bottom of a rolling chair. And that's my mannequin. And that's Shilo cat. And that's outside. Anyways, guys. Oh yeah, real quick. So if you want to learn a lot more about selling on Poshmark from the within Canada and selling to Americans, check out my video here, how I sell a lot on Poshmark. It's on my channel. You're obviously on my channel now, but yeah, this is actually my most popular video, so that's really cool. 4,500 views. Just one short of 100. Yeah, I used to like my own videos, whatever. Actually, I think I still do. Well, I haven't released one in like a month. But anyway, how's it going, girl? How's it going, sweetie pie? Oh my god. That's freaking adorable, guys. So yeah, anyways, dreams don't work unless you do, so get your ass to work. Take those photos. I guess I'll go in a little bit deeper here since this is a how-to video. Right, Shilo? This is a how-to video. So yeah, once you've taken your photos, you're just going to have to go to your app here, or you can go on a computer if you want as well. Wow, it's been a long time. Oh yeah, there you go. Sorry, I haven't listed anything on Poshmark in like 2 months, but yeah, there's a little sell button right there in the center. Gives you the camera app in case you haven't taken your photo yet. Oh, that was weird, the keyboard just turned on. But yeah, take your photos. There you go. Took a second there. You see here. There you go. Yeah, so once you've taken your photo of your piece of clothing or your adorable cat, anyway, you're gonna want to hit next. You can edit it if you want, but I highly do not suggest it, but it's up to you. And then you can hit the next button right up here, and then ta-da, there's your listing, you know, all the information you have to fill out here, title, etc, etc. There's the price here, original price there. I put 0 here usually, but you can do whatever you want. And yeah, so if you want to save it as a draft, the only thing you needed was that photo. You can add all your photos, just one, but as long as you have the photo, you can save it as a draft. If you fill out everything else without the photo, you cannot save it as a draft. So just keep that in mind real quick. And so to save it as a draft, all you have to do is, you see there's nothing at the bottom, you don't hit next, you actually have to hit the back button. And then at the bottom you'll see save draft or discard changes. And so, as it were, you would hit save draft. And then it'll tell you that it saved it and bring you back to your main menu. Alright, so, and then if you want to find your drafts, they're not anywhere to be found except for in the sale button. And it just opens the camera every time. See you later. And it just opens the camera every time. I just got a notification there, I think. But yeah, there it is there. I'll zoom in 900 fold. There it is. There's the fingerprints, there's the draft button, there's the flash camera button. Hit the draft button if you know where it is. I'm looking through the camera. There you go. And there it is. 2 drafts. Because my camera ran out of space and I had to start over again. I lost a minute of footage that you guys didn't even know about, but now you know about it because you see the 2 drafts. And so yeah. Anyways, so you save the draft, or you can publish the draft. I mean, the post, the listing, whatever it is, the item, the product, the posh piece, and make that money when it sells. So the most important thing that you want to do on Poshmark as a seller that wants to make money is go to My Closet. And you'll see right here, 135,000 shares. But those aren't my shares. Those are shares that I did on other people's closets. So that's not including my own listings, which are these. These listings are actually shared 1.4 million times in the past year. So, for a total of 1,020 sales. As you can see here, I have 1824 listings. So 1,020 or 1,050, sorry, I sold. And about 650 or whatever around there I have active. So this listing number here is always both numbers combined is what it does, which is weird. Poshmark, that's very weird. And then as you can see, I'm following 288,000 people, and 83,000 are following me in return. And yeah, so I guess that's gonna be it. We've got an update for you. And Shilo is eating. And Mannequin is standing. And inventory is sitting. But anyways guys, thanks a lot for watching. I really appreciate it. This is now the second time I make this outro, so it's kind of weird right now for me. But I hope you enjoyed. And we'll see you on the next one. I don't know when that will be. Actually, it's probably going to be tomorrow because no promises though. But anyway, it's good to see you guys again, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.